to show you how to add a building that is not rectangular. First, I set up a basic geometry. Then I click on Edit Floor Plan. Here, I can edit any stories. So I start with the first one. The idea here is to add points and drag and drop. I can also change the snap interval, 1 meter, 0.5 meter, or 0.1 meter. And then I can describe it in more details. When I created the geometry, I can show it on a map, for example. I can also move it around, and I can rotate this until I'm done, and then I save the floor plan. As you can see, I only edited the first floor. But by clicking Copy Story and replace the stories above, I can replace their geometry so that they all have the same geometry. Just like this.